There are 5 different tasks the program can do. We'll start by creating an email address and hitting create email address. I would suggest using both capital letters, lowercase letters and also numbers in your password. Some Bookmark accounts require this. So now that I've selected create email address and enter those details there, I'm going to hit run. I'm just going to pause the video for a second. Okay, so I enter the captcha and now it's setting a new rule for all emails to go into the inbox to make sure nothing goes into spam. And that's now finished. So the next thing I want to do is create bookmarking accounts. You can tell when the program's finished its current task by this run button turning green again. And because I've created a Hotmail account, I'm going to check this box and I don't need to do anything else. All I have to do is check a box and go to create bookmarking accounts and hit run. When that's finished, you'll see a list of websites that Bookmark Soup has tried to register to. This list will change as the list gets updated and more sites get added. So now the accounts are created, we have to verify the emails to activate those accounts. Now it's best to wait a minute or two, or maybe even 5 minutes, for the emails to arrive. On this page here, I've opened up the Hotmail account that I just created, and as you can see there's only 4 emails in there at the moment. Some of the other ones take a little bit longer to arrive, so if you try and verify the emails too soon after you've created the accounts, then it won't work. Okay, so now I've waited 5 minutes and I'm going to check the next task, which is verify confirm emails. There's no options you need to set here. So the emails have now been confirmed, and the next thing I can do is check to see if the accounts are alive. Now this is an optional step, and what it does is it checks to see if all the accounts you've got saved in the program folder, every time you make accounts they'll automatically be added to these tables, and you can check the tables to see if all the accounts are still alive. So there's no options for this one either, you just check accounts are alive and hit run. When you check to see if the accounts are alive, it returns a list of all the different URLs where your public pages can be found. These are the pages that will be indexed in Google, and this is where you should put your links to get link juice to the sites you're building links for. You can see here that the dig account that I tried to make failed, and that's most likely because I entered the captcha wrong. And even when you use captcha services, which this program does include, if I say include captcha services, I can use the captcha or death by captcha. Sometimes these can make mistakes as well, so just because you have a captcha service doesn't mean you get 100% sign up rate. Usually you get all of them except one. And the last part of the process, if you post bookmarks, select post bookmarks, enter new information, so this is spinnable. And here you can also see an option to post to one of each account type. So that means post to any one Reddit account, one Digo account, or you can post to all the accounts that you have. I usually select random, and these fields here are spinnable, and then you put the URL in this box here and hit run.